This video is a guide to user-created variables. We've already covered tuning meters to weather data, but say you want to tune your meters to a custom variable, such as a school day calendar or number of widgets produced. To access variables, click the left sidebar and select Variables. To create a new variable, right-click the project item and select New Variable Definition. In the Variable Details panel, we can customize our variable and select what level of the project it will apply to. This selection is important as it will determine how much of the project will be affected by the variable. In this example, we'll use the project level. The start and end date of your variable can also be edited. In option C, a variety of weekday variables can be automatically generated. These appear under the Type of Variable drop-down menu. To automatically populate a variable for weekdays only, select from the drop-down and click Generate Data. The variable register will be filled with the appropriate values for your selection. It's also possible to manually enter variable values into the register or to copy and paste from a spreadsheet. Once your variable is created, it's time to apply it. To do so, return to the project tree view by clicking the left sidebar and selecting Tree View. Our variable was created for the project level, so to assign it, we'll right-click on the project item and select Add Variable Value. Select the variable from the drop-down menu and click OK. The variable has now been applied and appears in our tree structure. The final step is to include the variable in our meter tunings. Let's look at another project. In this example of a manufacturing facility, we've added a variable for number of widgets produced. Let's click on our electricity meter and see how it tunes for this variable. In the Baseline Tuning tab, our custom variable will appear alongside degree days as a tuning variable option. Click the checkbox to include it in the tuning. The green check mark and good statistical indicators indicate that this yields a good tuning. We can now also view the custom variable on the x-axis of the graph by selecting it from the x-axis drop-down menu. This view confirms that kilowatt-hour usage trends with the number of widgets produced per day.